channel, so they can get that idea. Okay, fine. So we will be doing the DNS. So this is our Red Hat. Sorry, this is the server we already installed here. So today I'll be doing that full DNS configuration. Okay, and I'll be having already one client. I'll be with that. I'll be showing you how you will be joining with the clients and all this, and how they will be performing the DNS stuffs and all this. Okay. This is server 2012 R2. R2 means it's a revised edition, and we are using the data center. Okay. So now we'll be going here and click on this admin add 1 2 3. Now this will be our Windows 7 that we need to start. Now Red Hat machine has been, yeah. So today we are going to talk about, NIC teaming. So today we'll be going to talk about NIC teaming first. After that we'll be talk about the DNS. Then whatever you have done earlier, the Hyper-V, little bit brush up about it. Okay, brush up will be. So first of all, we will be doing what is the need of NIC teaming, right? So inside that, NIC and teaming. So like your suspense is here. So NIC will be a network interface card, and teaming means multiple interface card. You will be club them together, right? So what will be the benefit for this? That benefit will be there. Let's say in case one NIC goes down, so another will be up. Let me show you. If you go here, ncpa.cpl, done. Once you'll be doing that ncpa.cpl, your network configuration will be pop-ups here. Wait for a minute. See, this is a network configuration. Now can you check here? This is the 2 Ethernet. If you go here, right click, status. What is 1 Gbps, right? If you go here, status. What is 1 Gbps? But once I'll club them together, so it will be how much? Got it? So in childhood you have studied now. Unity is the power. One guy will be one pharmacy having 4 kids. They used to fight each other. So that way they're having a story verse. Then just like that. Now, how we will be making the NIC teaming? We will be going to the server manager and we will be click on the local server. Once you will click the local server, you will be find out here that enabled. Now, can you check here? Over here, 2 NICs are there, right? Now, you might be thinking, when we are, creating virtual machine, after installation, only 1 NIC will be there, right? How come another NIC I will be adding? Getting my point? Questions? How we are going to do it? Right click on this. You are going to click on the settings. Then it will be network adapter. It will be click on add. It will be click on yes. Again you will be selecting the network adapter. Click on next. Finish. Then you are going to click on OK. Now it should come 3 NIC card, right? See, 3 NIC card you have got. So each of them are what? 1 Gbps. Now see here, like per seconds, how many bytes they are sending and they are receiving. Getting my point? Now few more. This is the adapter. This is the speed. This is the state. State is like what? Whether it is there up or down, right? Right? Getting my point? Now this is the adapter. We will be selecting 3 adapters. We have selected. Now you can go here and you can select the task, what you want to do, if you don't know how to do it. Is that clear? So first what you will be doing, you will be going here, you will be selecting these 3. Then right click on this. Can you check it, what all things is coming? Add to team, add disable, then properties. If you go to the properties, what will be come up? Intel Gigabyte Ethernet connections, permanent address. This means here what address? MAC address. Exactly. Now what you are going to do here? Right click, add to team. Can you see the 3 NIC is coming? We will be doing what? SRV, then NIC, server NIC, right? Now what you will be doing? Additional properties, anything is coming. Now see this here. Very nicely, try to understand this. SRV NIC we have given, immediately primary interface SRV NIC came. Can you see here? Teaming mode. What is that? Teaming mode, they're having 3 types. One will be static teaming, switch independent, or LSCP. Right? LSCP is what? Link aggregation control protocol. What is that? Link aggregation control protocol. One protocol which will be working, that will be helping you to bind together. Is that clear? Link aggregation control protocol. Aggregation, aggregation. So that one only. Link aggregation control protocol. Am I clear with this? That protocol only will be helping you to club together and it will be working function then. Any problem? Okay. After that, it will be coming here, load balancing mode. What is the mode of load balance? Address hash, Hyper-V port or dynamic. What is the mode? You are making this one for Hyper-V, you are making for the dynamic, or you are making for independent or address hash. Getting my point? So we'll be selecting here this.
What is address hash?
Address hash means for only for this system. You cannot outsource this one outside, right? After that, standby adapter. What are the standby adapter? Means which one we want to make a standby, which all we want to make active. What we want, all the adapters will be active. Nice. Now, if I want out of 10, if I want like how many of them we want to make the standby, how many of them we want to make active, that we can select from here. Any queries? No query? Good. So once we'll click on OK, one mechanism will be starting here. They are going to save it. Where they are going to save? MBR. Clear? Any problem? Good. Now see, first initially they will be failed. Why? Because every device, every NIC, they having a different MAC address. All they are clubbing together and they are generating one MAC address. Is that clear? That's why everybody will be disconnect, and after that they one by one they will be getting connect. Now you tell me the answer, like why after when the three process is going on, why the third one got active immediately? Why not this one? Yes, they are having a very good logic in this. See, once this port number is maximum, right? Who having a maximum ID, he will be take the first priority. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The .NET, as I told you morning, in .NET we can install, like we are installing from there from the service, na sir. Once we are going to the service, we are trying to install the .NET. They are giving some error code. They're taking that error code. When I'm pasting that, take net, they're asking this is the license issue, this is the volume license issue, this is the OEM issues, right? So based on that only, I have told you. Please, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you. Hello, sir. So we are removing the DNS.
So if anyone asks what is maintaining, what is of means, it's easy to club the card into one.
Yeah. And make high availability. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, like the thing is that what it is saying, its error is giving. Now I have copied that one. I was checking in, TechNet. They are saying these are the volume licensing is not enabled. Like the three four kind of suggestion they was giving. So I have informed that thing to Johnson sir yesterday. .NET, sir. .NET. When 3.5 by default is not getting installed, I have installed and I was just trying. I was planning to inject that. That also not taking. And after that, once I am checking with the error issues. So after that, they was giving these all suggestions. Yeah, fine. Yes. I have your mail. Yes. Fine. Okay. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Yes, that will be the best practice, sir. We should tell them that the same. Otherwise, then they will be finding in this the .NET issue and they can put it. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. I mean, I have installed. I have installed my system just now, and I also trying with the same thing how to find out the error. Now in morning, 5 o'clock onwards, I am behind the system, and I am doing the same. Now I'm just sending you the screenshot right away. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine. Okay. Okay, so now what we are planning to do it now?
You remove DNS.
Yeah, I have removed the DNS and it's supposed to restart, right? Let me check this. What is this? Yeah, it will be asking for the restart. Removable features. We have done with this. Now we can restart Control C.
Why it won't give notification to the shop?
I have enabled actually. I'll go here and restart.
What is the port number of AD? It's a 389.
Yes, default. Yeah.
LDAP.
I think it will be so many LDAP with Carbaros 5000 series. I have the port number, or you can go one. I have that 1000 port number list. I'll give you today. More than that.
Carbaros 33. Carbaros is sorry.
80.
88. Right? Carbaros port number
Default. That is default.
So AD adult port number is 389.
Yes.
So LDAP and AD is same.
No. LDAP means it's a firewall, Windows-based firewall. That means you will be getting full access to whom you should give the rights and to whom you should not. That is, only on LDAP, only thousands of openings are there in UK. You can check it online.
So,
In HP also they're having openings, plenty of. You know how to download the license from Microsoft website?
I used to forgot actually. In my old company, this is the Atman account, we will log in. Because he is a member of that system, we will be having all details, all licenses will be having. I read on this. I forgot actually. That is my smart key, right?
Okay, now I'll go here. Admin add 1, 2, 3. Let me check that Windows came up or not.
What's the configuration of the laptop?
8 GB only.
8 GB.
But these all systems are having a 16 GB and all. And in Sesame Search Lab, I think it was 64 and all those 32 GB also was there. Okay, so now this is the okay. Now this is our server, and we will check it now whether we have done with the nick teaming or not. Okay, we'll go here ncpa.cpl ncpa.cpl. We'll go here, right click, status 3 Gbps. We'll go properties, select that IP address. We'll give here 192.168.1 or 10.200. 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.200. Fine. Now let me check that whether I am able to install the .NET or not. It's not required, but next. Install. Okay, what are the .NET issues? What is the main reason for this? Do you know? Why .NET get failed?
Maybe some updates missing. Those updates.
Okay. Fine. Now will be we are here. Fine. Now if you check here, CMD, IPCO, NFIG. So now 1.200, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Now we are now going to install the DNS. We'll be going here, manage, add roles and services. We'll go here. You'll go here. So DNS, add features. You'll continue with the same system, right?
Okay. So you remove DNS role. It's already with indicated with AD, right?
Mm-hmm.
Something happens when you remove
No, actually, the real time what will happen? It will be AD server will be different, DNS will be different. So there no much change.
So this is different.
Yes. Every time it will be different. Otherwise, it will be pathetic. People will be go crazy.
So to install DNS separate server,
Mhm.
should member of AD domain, right?
Yeah. Otherwise, how it will integrate? How it will authenticate by the users?
Should be member of,
Yes. Yes.
before installing, it should be member of.
Exactly. Now in between we will check. Why? TechNet. .NET 3.5. So do you speak Tamil?
I stayed in Chennai for 2 years. That time I started learning, but after that we moved to Karnataka. And the language here was totally different, and it was a bit difficult also. So I thought, leave Tamil and Kannada. Let's go to switch to Marathi because in Belgaum these people
Yes, 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 yes. Marathi and Kannada.
Marathi is more easy. So I was like, and it's more understandable. So I started learning Marathi.
You have studied in which college?
I had studied in MPC in Belgaum.
Belgaum. That's why they're having one more college in a Gokti.
You are from that college?
No, I went there many times for giving training in that college. But that place I really liked.
Even I.
Belgaum.
It's a small city.
Yes, but very nice city. I liked it. Pollution is very less.
Yeah, it's very like in one day we can cover complete city.
Right, that's true. But from there, 23 kilometers per, we'll be having a falls. Is there not so many
What?
falls, waterfalls?
Yeah. So many. We used to one college and we used to go to college. It was like near to like outskirts of Belgaum. So many. Goa and all is also very
Yes, on there. 5 hours journey. Okay, so it's almost finished. It's done. Now we'll be doing the configuration for this. Now it'll be click on DNS. So let him come. Then we'll perform from here.
sorry.
It's okay. Okay, so now you can see the server out here. So you'll be finding in the one in the forward zones, another will be reverse zones. So every DNS, that is the
So SRV will be a host name. So is a host name. What is SRV? It's a domain name.
No, SRV the name of the server.
Okay, host
That,
name.
yeah, I have shown you now from here. If you go here, if you give that local, and after that's computer name, what is the computer name?
SRV.
Yes. Okay, now what is the domain we have created this. Now once will be come back to the DNS, there will be two types. One will be the forward, another will be reverse. Now forwarder, what exactly it will be doing? So forwarder, that will be helping you to let's say IP is there, IP to name it will be taking you, and reverse will be saying name to IP. Getting my point? So in that forwarder, there will be two things will be there: MSDS, MSDCS. So actually, in this folder, your entire things will be hosted. See your DC. What is the DC name? What is the sites? Default sites, TCPs. See Kerberos and LW. I was looking for here now. So mostly it will be integrated with here. That if you want to check here, Kerberos. Can you see the 88 port number default 100. Getting my point? Right click on this, go to the properties. You'll be able to see many things. This is the default site. Let's say you have hosted your company name with this. So that time we'll be getting your company name. Getting my point? After that, this is non-changeable. They cannot change from here. But yes, if you want to change, like you have to have that full permissions with the user. Okay, then only you can check. If you want to deny for some other people, so you can do deny from here. Like they want to do, they will not be able to change anything there. Is that clear? Fine. Now we'll be coming to the LDAP. It's 389. Now I'll right click and it'll properties will same thing. And the server, in your case, maybe you can have that multiple server name out here, because your company probably having so many clients, so they also want the resolve and all those things. So that time it can happen. Now once you'll be coming to the domain here. So this is that entire stuff will be encrypted. Okay, it's a LDAP, same thing. It will be encrypted. Fine. So come back to our task. So that is the MSDS, and this is your domain. Under your domain, MSDS copy will be there, sites will be there, and then TCP, UDP, and domain zoom. What we have to do? Let's say already we had one domain, so we will be deleting this one. We'll delete it. Okay. Now what we'll be doing? We'll be right click on that. Okay. So once we have done with the right click, we'll be getting so many options. Reload means whatever I have done, so it will be reloading. After that, host new A for IPv4, 4 times A means IPv6. CNAME it's alias, that mail exchange, that is MX. You want to try up with the new domain, and you want to make the DNS security. Okay. So first we will be going with this. Now we will give that www. So what is that? FQDN, fully qualified domain name. Now what is our server IP address? 192.168.10.200. I want pointer record also. I want allow. Now it is a warning is giving. The associated pointer record cannot be created, probably because the reverse unit. So reverse we have not done, right? So that's why you have to make the reverse, then it will be working. Now we'll be going here, right click. We'll be giving the properties. We'll be giving the name servers. We'll be giving the edit, and then resolve. This IP to name, it is resolving or not. Okay. Most of the time, in real time, when you'll be doing it, is not getting resolved. So manually, you have to do this. Yeah. Right now, I have shown you. You'll be going properties. Yeah. You'll be going there. You'll be going edit, and then you'll be resolve. In your case, maybe 10, 15 IP can come here. So that time you have to select that which one you want to do. So that time up down it will become up here. So we can put it here there. Getting my point? So then you'll be doing apply. Then you'll be doing OK. Okay. Now we'll be going to the reverse. We'll be going new zone. So once you'll be click on the new zone, you will be getting the three features here. So one will be the primary, another will be the secondary, another will be the staff.
So only in reverse we will get this.
No, over there also you can get. Because earlier domain I have created, same domain only we are publishing, that's why we have not created there. Otherwise we can do it. If you want, I will be showing after this. You'll be click on next. After that you will be click on next. After that you will be click on next. Now you'll be giving the network ID 192.168.10, right? Can you see that? ARPA come here, ARPA. Now you'll be clicking on next, allow and finish. Now you'll go here. You'll be clicking here, right click on this, create pointer, browse this, go server, go to forward, go to Cisco, you'll be getting www. Have you got it? Now you'll be getting the lot many, all records you want, or you want this particular IPv4 I want, right? IPv4, IPv6. Now I want the allow me. Now invalid IP address.
200 you have given. 192.168.1 only.
No, that is the network address. It was fine. Wait, give me a moment. I'll delete this. Because if you make some issues here, it won't create anything. Next, next, next. IPv4. This is the network 192.168.10. Oh, by mistake, I have given one there. Now we'll be going here. Right click on this. Make a pointer. Now see 10 came na. So then you'll be going to the server, forwarder, Cisco. Once you'll be come off here, select this. Now you'll be click on OK, allow to authenticate, then OK. Now fine. Then go to the properties. Can you see the name server? See over here, it's not coming. See? Now how you'll be getting it? Resolve. Now see it came. Now you'll make it OK, apply and OK. Done with this? Now I'll right click on this, go to the task and restart the service. Fine with this? Now we'll be going to run command prompt nslwkup. See, still we are not getting the Cisco as a name, isn't it? Now how we'll be checking here? We'll go here, we'll go here, we'll go to the name server, we'll go here, resolve, okay. Now we'll be going here. Now we'll be opening the nick. Now we'll check here the status, we'll go to that, we'll select IPv4. Now you'll see that automatically. Okay, 1.200. Oh, it should be 10. It should be 10. Different network I have given, so that's what it was not resolving. Now we'll be going here. Now we'll be going here. All task and restart the service. See, one single mistake can do. CMD GP update.
In Linux, what now we will see in this topic? What now we will
In Linux?
DNS. This configuration.
Zone transfer probably will do tomorrow. Yes, it came now. Okay, so now these are the things we have done here. So now we'll be going to the client. This is the client we have. Now we'll be going here, run NCPA CPL. We'll be going here, go to the properties. We'll give here 192.168. Hello. Hello. Very good morning. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Okay. So when should I put that? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Is that possible if I do on after 3 days? After 3 days, not a problem. Yeah, yeah. Fine, fine. Yes, sir. Definitely, I'll put that after 3 days. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Fine, fine, sir. Yeah, yeah. Surely, surely, I'll do it, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I right now I'm confirming, and I will make it within 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Okay, sir. Thank you. Please, please. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Mm, 6 months will be better. 6 months. Yeah. Okay. 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 No problem. Yes. 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 Please. Yeah. 9900 41107. Um, it will be HSR layout. Yeah. Yeah. Office. Office. So now middle of some meeting. No, no, no. You can take it as a confirmation. It should be HSR layout and 6 and okay. So you want the residence address or you want that one address? Okay, but I cannot log in right now. So once I will check, you can give me a call tomorrow, please. Yeah, sure. Can. Yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, sure, sure. Sure, sure. Fine, fine. Okay, okay. No, no, no. Thank you so much. No, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, now see, we'll be going here. Now you'll check that whether you will do ping or not. Ping 192.168.10.200. So you're able to ping, right? Now, can you tell me why that TTL is coming 128? Why not 200?
No, this will always come 128.
No,
Yes.
it depends on that which operating system here. If it is Linux, then it will be coming here 64. If it is Cisco device, it will become 255. It's a based on device. So that just to inform you this, yeah, I asked. Okay.
Because in Windows, whenever I'm seeing it happen.
Okay. Now if you give that ns lwkup cisco.com. See, coming here.
What 133?
That is that another nick already created na when you are installing. So by default that IP is there. So I have done that NAT na here network. So it's also the translating that part also. Clear with this? Okay.
So, sir, actually, nearest topic, friends. Like what we should know and
Yeah, first of all, you need to know about DNS security. That will be coming in the second paper. DNS virtualization.
still is there, more is there.
Yes, that's what the paper is all about. So over here you'll be doing that configuration and maintenance and all this. Okay. So once I'll start with that second paper for the next class, then like next week. So then we'll be doing.
So, so that where will be learning about the zones and records?
Yes. John, I'll be showing you tomorrow.
Records.
Yeah, DNS records. So these are the DNS records.
But the definition kind of thing.
You only said that you know all the definitions.
Yeah, we know, but
We
like
don't understand.
because and all.
Okay, that I will do. So then what I will do, I will give you that DNS what our category. I have just shown you today how to deploy the DNS. Okay, so then you will be come up with the DNS zone, DNS record, MX, and after that like what all zones are there, how you will be flexible to transfer that one. So our second paper will be talking about that DNS security with group policy integration. Okay, and after that backups and all this. This is the three type of thing will be there. So if you check it that that syllabus, like in a first paper it will be deployment and yes. So that's the thing. Is that okay with this? Fine. So now that is the first thing you have learned from here about the DNS and all. Now DNS backup also you can take. Let's say in another configuration you want to have. So in how you will be doing it. Okay. So now we'll be this is that DNS deployment. Okay. After that we'll be coming to the DHCP deployment. Okay. So DHCP deployment, how you're not going to do? Let me show you. So will be this is our server. We'll be going to the local server manager. Before that, I will should I tell a little bit about the DNS DHCP. It's a okay. What is DHCP actually? What is the main need of this?
To distribute the IP automatically. Not automatically.
And to multiple systems.
Okay, so what will be the benefit for that?
Don't need to go to like time consuming. It won't consume time.
Okay.
It will be perfect. No conflicts will happen.
Wow, that's great. Another one.
And it's a centralized this thing. Like at a
We can manage,
it.
the network in a
Apart from that,
we can using DHCP we can
Give the lease.
like that. We can
That is the thing I was looking for. So once you'll be given the lease, after minimum is 1 minute, maximum is 999. 999. Yes, 990 days. That much days you can yes. So after that it will be renew again.
990 days is maximum.
Yes, and minimum is 1 minute, 60 seconds actually. So we will do it now, and by default in Windows Server 2012 it will be coming 8 days. Let me show you this.
Yeah, 8 days was there. No?
Yeah. Now let me show you this. Now you'll be going here. Next, you'll be doing the DHCP, add features, next, 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 and install.
So, sir, in interview when they will ask what we should tell, 1 minute or 8 days?
Minimum
This is minimum. By default, it will be 8 days.
8 days. Yeah.
So
That's
that-
it.
See, he told minimum.
I'll show you here now.
Okay, this is default.
Yes, default will be 8 days.
Minimum we can keep for 1 minute. But default will be 8 days.
Fine now? Okay, now I'll be showing you the in front of you, only you'll get clear to see. Now complete DHCP configuration, click on this. You'll be going next. If some other users are there, some other credential you can add here. So as of now we don't have, so we have commit, you'll close and close it. Done. You'll be click on this and you'll be going to the DHCP. Now over here, once we'll be come to the DHCP, we'll become up here IPv4, IPv6. So we'll go for IPv4 first. Once you'll go for that IPv4, you have to select the server options. What are the options you'll get? Configure the options. You'll go here. What all options we want? We want offset, we want router, you want time server, automatically it will be synced with that. You want DNS. This one you have not done before.
Yes, we have.
Yes. So this is the log server, because it's the enterprise company only they will do it. Even though if you go that videos in YouTube and all those, it's not there. Okay. So after that, if you go for that LPR server, means it's a reporting server. That which server goes down and all those. I want host name should be resolved. I also want fine. So these are the things we have done. Now I have to resolve. Now 192.168.10.200. Let me resolve it. Yes. Or else if I give that cisco.com, it should resolve.
That it's begun to be.
Right there, WB.
srv.cisco.com. Fine. I will click on add, then apply. So you got it. These are the things we'll be keep updating. Policies, we can make that so many policies we can make. We can make the policy. Okay, policy will come up in the security part. Now filter with whom I will be allowed and with whom I am not. Okay. Now first we will go here. We will create a scope. Then next, Cisco, Microsoft. IP address will start from 192.168.10.210. End with 192.168.10.250. Yesterday I asked giving you 24 now. If it is 25, what will happen? So that's what I have given. That's you should have the knowledge about it. Now you will be giving exclude, which IP and to exclude 192.168.10.200. If I want that this IP should not use anywhere, that time I can do it. Now what all? By default 8 days. Can you see here?
Yeah.
And minimum if you come off here. See? Clear now concept? Now we'll be doing next. I underscore active now. What is the IP address? Gateway 192.168.10.1. I'll add it. Now this is the cisco.com, right? I want to check it whether it is resolving or not. Resolve. When we'll add, it will be checking. It will verify. See, it's verified. Next. Win server we don't want now. See, we have got the server, right? Now I'll check whether this PC is getting IP address automatically or not. Right?
They started service from DHCP. Service started.
Yeah, already started now. Address pool 210, it will be going. Lease anybody got or not, right? So still now nobody got it, isn't it? Now once we'll go here, command prompt, sorry. Now we'll be going here once. Okay, before that we have to do one thing. We have to join in this domain. Now we'll right click on this. It will come, but it will be having issue. But I have that, NAT now. I having internet. I'm adding to my system. So what we'll do, I will be click on change. You will be going to member of cisco.com. Now Cisco. It's wrong. Then its error should come here. Cisco. It will be coming welcome to cisco.com now. ADMINISTRAT. Now it will take. Because for that, that admin I have given some other password, I forgot that. Now when I will give this, automatically it will get the IP address. Otherwise, fresh in system, if you give that switch and connection, and immediately they will fetch that IP. Okay now? So I will allocate some systems there. Once you'll come every day, you can have some practice. Okay. And one more thing, probably every day if you feel like coming, you can come up. 7 days. But weekdays you can check that schedule with this. What is my class timing and all this. So based on that we will. Okay, na? But if you do, then we can analyze more.
Weekends. This weekend, this weekend will come. The Monday you are available? Monday?
Yes. Any puja is there in Monday?
Is
Monday is there.
I'm there.
It's holiday, so I thought they will.
Yeah, they do celebrate, but the entire day they will not, right?
Evening will be there? Evening?
Let's see, I'll tell you. Now, go here. ncpa.cpl, right click on this,
We did that server option, right? Actually, what is used for server option in DHCP?
server option in DHCP.
You did no adding
Yeah, let's say whatever the client I will be having, they also get the time from the server. Whatever the server will be having the time, the same time will be synced with them.
So if you don't add, it won't come.
Yeah.
I mean, it syncs with the server time.
Yes. That's really nice. It's taking my Apple, like I have done the hotspot now. That one is taking. Anyways, let me check that is pinging or not. Ping 192.168.10.200. Yeah, because it's internet is fetching now. It's internet.
Why you are using our this Wi-Fi? Very slow. JNT Wi-Fi.
I never use. I have this phone and it's having a 40 GB of data.
What day?
No, month.
40 GB month. Because 24/7 it's on only, right?
No, see, in my mobile, it's actually corporate connections. And still today is 21st. Still I having 20 GB of data. See?
Airtel.
Yes.
The corporate connection.
Yes, corporate connection. So in 1480 rupees they give the 40.
Yours corporate connection or
Yes.
your own?
Yeah.
I mean, you only paying one.
Yes. So that time 11 connections we have to taken from this from Delhi.
Really?
Yes. In Delhi, Noida, NCR, they're having a college is there. I think you heard about that is Amity.
No.
Yes. The entire their cabling, starting from cabling, server, Linux server, mail server, we only done this. That is what it's 5th or 6th project that we have done. So that time we was required because many clients, the clients they want the real genuine Microsoft OS and all those. So that time they are asking what is your business number. We are not going to call you any XYZ number. So we have registered and all those many things. So that time only plan was 1480 per person. So 10 connection we have to. And benefit is there, like 40 GB data and unlimited call.
Oh.
Yes,
What is it, 4G?
yes. Now it's migrated to 4G. Earlier it was 3G. Yes. Okay, so DHCP also you have seen, right? Now if I disconnect these connections from the host, so then only it will be taking that IP address from there. Okay, so that is the very good thing. And now we'll be moved to the server and I'll be showing you what all features you can add more. You can go here, manage authorization service. Let's say if you are authorized, name of that IP address. So I will give the authorization. If I authorize, then only I'll get IP address. Or else, let's say somebody got IP address, right? It will be come up here. You can select them, you can deny. Even though it's showing it's connected, but it will be showing limited connectivity. You cannot browse. Fine with this? Any problem? Okay. This is the DNS and DHCP deployment. Now, last thing we will come up. That is called file services. File services will be playing in a very vital role. So one file services that is called DFS, distributive file system. What is that? Distributive file system. What is the main need of this DFS? Say for example, in your home they're having a, especially if you ever come in my room, you'll find, you know, laptop, top of that book, top of that clothes, top of that food. It's like with that, you know, it's nothing is, you know, sequential, right? Say for example, suddenly I need that you know, some SQL server book, then I have to scan everywhere, I have to search everywhere, here and there, and then only I'll be finding the books. So in order to, like, you know, come up this kind of, overcome this kind of issues, so they have come up with a very good solution that is called DFS, distributive file system. Wherever you will keep, immediately it will be accessible. Fine. Now we will going to do it. How we are going to get it? So you'll be going here. Now next. After that we'll be going next. Now if you see here, file services, can you see here? And after that you just expand that. Can you see here the DFS namespace? You'll select that. What is DFS? You can read here. Namespace, the group of shared folder located different servers into one or more logically structured. That could be differently. Actually, when you'll be coming to the cloud now, so this is the thing actually mostly will be working in Azure and all those. If you go in more details, now you will be installing this.
I think it's done.
Now you'll be coming that can you see here? File services. Now you'll be going here, and can you see the DFS? Now can you see here? You have got here the DFS. Now what all things you can do from here? You'll be right click here. You'll be create a new namespace. Now you can browse from here, and you can go here. You can find. It will be coming the username. See, this is the username we have got. Cisco PC. Another one is SRV, right? Now we'll be Cisco PC in that one. SRV check name. Okay. Now click on OK. Now you want to create the name of the folder. Let's say Cisco. Done. Edit setting. What all things you can do? You want all user have no permissions, or you want that, you know, custom permissions. Let's say you will be giving the permission only. Not full control. Okay. Done. Next. See that it got shared. Cisco.com. Then Cisco is the folder. It's creating now. It's really awesome. Let me show you. It's got created, right? You'll be going here. Go to the 192.168.10.200. See, got Cisco is the folder. You can keep anything in this. Fine. Any problem? So this is the DFS. Now DFS theory is quite interesting. I will be giving you the DFS theory tomorrow, and I will be showing that DNS zones and that's it. Okay, fine then. So we will be come up here. Now this is the server that we have already. Now one more thing is there we have to configure, that is the storage. Storage is nothing but it's full theory. I will teach now. Okay, storage. Now we don't need it. We don't need it now. We can power off. Now how the storage works and type of storage and benefit of this.